In this video, I'll walk you through HitPaw Photo Enhancer, an AI-powered tool that can upscale and restore images with just a few clicks. Now, whether you're dealing with blurry portraits, noisy night shots, or an older photo you want to bring back to life, HitPaw promises to handle it all. Let's put it to the test and see how well it actually performs. Now, that being said, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to go to hitpaw.com and you want to go try it free. And as soon as you press try it for free, it's going to prompt you to download it. And as soon as you download, this is where we're at. Now, you're going to have to mosey on to this part over here that actually prompts you to sign in. And I have already signed in on my account. And we're using the free version right now. So what can HitPaw do? It can remove the background of certain photos. Now, I'm going to just opt for the samples that they have presented. This was a photo, and they've literally removed the background, so you can just make it whatever background that your heart pleases now by just pressing on this here button. That's one of the many things that you can do. What else can we do? Let's go home. There's also an AI generator that we can use, and you can just upload an image right here. And you can click generate, or you can give it a prompt. Let's just write. Now you can use multiple models. You have Nano Banana, you have Flux's models, you have ChatGPT models, and you have ByteDance's Seedream Stable Diffusion. Wow, this is so good, and a template that you can already give it. Now you can have it image to image, or you can have text to image. So yeah, we're currently on text to image, and these are the different. Now you can add a model, whatever model you want to use. Let's use Nano Bananas. Right. So the next thing that we can do is that we want to go home. The app is a little janky, I'm not going to lie. It keeps just changing aspect ratios. So let's choose an optional photo that we have right now. Now we can unblur a photo right here. We can color old photos and then preview the results right here. And then we can export over here. So we can scratch/repair, and we can retouch a photo by removing objects from the background. For instance, like I want to remove this parachute or whatnot. Now, what can we adjust? We can adjust the aspect ratio, have it be the original, and then we can have it be 1:1, 9:16 for your phone, 4:3, or 16:9 as a Facebook cover. We have already pre-made templates. We can rotate, adjust, color adjust. We can add filters. Yeah, we don't care. We can add filters to said photos. Very classic stuff. And we can mess around with the background. We can just click here to remove the background. Now, something that is trending quite a ways right now is the magic upscaler, or the image upscaler. So if you have an image and you don't like exactly what it looks like, you can have it just literally make it a better image, a better looking image, as you can see right here. You can swap faces. You can restore an old image of your grandma, grandpa. Charlie and Lola is literally turning your subjects in your images into like cartoony type views. Now, what can you do? You can enhance text, enhance a group portrait, stabilize a mobile shot. You can remove objects, as we already said, background remover. Have something that is outdoor be indoor, and then you can just use that background remover to basically make an ID photo, for instance. So that's face restoration. Let's look at this as an option, see what it does. So manage AI enhancer here, hover over a model for usage instructions. You can preview to see the processed result over here. Now you can have different versions of it, the soft V2 or the sharp one. You can upscale the model. You can denoise the model, have text change, colorize it, low light, whatever, and then you can press the preview right here, and then it works on face restoration. And ta-da! Zoom in and out here, switch between split side by side, and then you can just export. So this is the enhanced photo. Now it's watermarked because we are on the free version, but look at the difference that it has made only using the AI, and then you can just press export right here. Now, this is going to take us to the premium one because apparently there are no free features whatsoever on this platform. So this was the high quality restoration option also as well. Let's look at this little beautiful doggo. Now, this best model combination has been auto-enabled based on your image quality. You can multiply the scale, make it just look more beautiful. So let's try that as well. Look at that. That one's fast. And it goes from this all the way until that. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So these are like mainly the enhancer tools. Now, as far as the toolbox, you get all of them in one place. So yeah, this was just a quick, beautiful overview of everything that HitPaw has to offer. You can actually buy it after downloading the app and checking the functionality of everything. You can then opt to actually pay for it. Now, as far as paying for it, the free tier doesn't really do much, so you download it first, and then you get a 1-month license for $25. You can get a 1-year license for, $100, so you're making a good deal, or you can buy it forever with a perpetual license for $159.99. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.